Hi, I'm Kim, also known as Maxime Costumes, and today I'm going to show you how I made my Nott the Brave cape from the web series Critical Role. When I first started making this costume, I got asked over on Instagram by a few people how exactly I made it, if I could show them, if I could make a little tutorial. So here it finally is. So this is the fabric I'm working with. It's a very lightweight cotton. Mine is roughly 65 centimeter wide. If you're not as small as me, you should probably go with a little bit more. Then over there we've got the middle of your hood. This side is roughly 1.50 meters and this is about 2.50 meters. Again, if you're taller than me, probably go with a little bit more. I can't give you exact measurements for the placement of this arm slits because it highly depends on your body and it's best to see when draping. The first arm slit though has to go this way, the second one over that way, and the last one again this. As you can see, while I first draped this, I did a lot of mistakes. I just ripped my fabric too much. I just sewed them close again. It's visible from both sides, but I really like this look for a knot. Now that we've got our fabric, we can drape it on our body, or I'm going to show you on the mannequin because I think it's a lot easier to see what I'm doing. We start off with the right side, which is the side with only one hole in it. The left side has two holes. And we're just gonna put it over your right arm. Then we've got the hood part, which we're gonna ignore for a second here, or you can just put it over your head. Then the next hole is also for your right arm, but before putting it on, just flip it over once, and then we can put it on your right arm as well. Then bring it to the front again, and this is finally our left arm. Then just drape it a little bit so it looks nice. Place the hood on your head. This is basically it. My hood already has the holes for the ears, but I highly suggest only doing them when you wear your goblin ears, maybe your wig also, and probably get a friend to help you cut those so you know exactly where they should go. And this is how I made my Nott the Brave cape. I hope it was easily understandable for you. If you have any questions, just hit me up with them, and I hope I could help some of you.